To modernize your supply chain using Microsoft Dynamics 365. Start by creating a Microsoft account and filling out the required information to set up your Dynamics 365 account. Once your account is set up, you can access the activities dashboard and other features. As the supply chain is constantly evolving, Dynamics 365 offers a unique perspective on your products, forecasts, and goals. By utilizing the platform, you can view forecasts and goals, and even leverage the Copilot feature to stay informed and ahead of your needs. For instance, you can view fake quotas and goals for a specific month, such as April, and use the Copilot to stay up to date with your supply chain. This allows you to efficiently manage your business's supply chain without constantly checking all the necessary information. The Copilot provides a summary of key details, making it easy to stay informed. By using Microsoft Dynamics 365, you can stay ahead in supply chain management.